Okay, so that's the power board right there, and that's the laser machine. That's the wire feeder, and this is the fiber optics. The fiber optic, I've been working on it. It's work still in progress. I was able to braid the whole system, like putting the cover on it, and this is getting up the power distribution. So I went ahead and drilled this panel right here and put everything randomly anywhere so that I could get a sense of where everything is supposed to go to. It's easy to install, so it's a matter of just picking one of the like this is a contactor, and installing it. Okay, so I'm using 3 contactors. The reason for using 3 contactors is because this is in United States and the power here is 110 or 120 volts AC. So the power is going to come through 4 cables. So there's one load, second load, half, which is a half leg, which is between the two. So in our sine wave, it's on the middle, and now the ground. So this is 110, and this is 0, but it's 0 potential between the two. No, not even 0 potential, but it's literally like it's the median between the two loads, 110 sine wave and the other one. So how it works is that in UK and the system I have here, it's designed for UK power, which comes as 240, and to fit the 240 is just one load of 240 and neutral. But in this case, I'll have to have the neutral cable. Let me show you. So these are the prongs. So these are supposed to be the live. This is the neutral, and this is the live, and this is the ground, and this is the UK cabling. So this is 240 neutral, ground. So if I wanted to use in US in 210 volts, I would do 210, and this is going to go to ground. So the reason I'm doing that is because this one, the reason for doing this is because it's because we don't have a way to have 240 volts direct. So that's why instead, so that I can get a potential between here and here of 240, have to use 110 here and 110 here. So if you go and measure these two, they will say 240, but if you measure this if you measure this to ground, it's going to tell you it's a 0, and the same thing we do that will still say a 0. It's kind of weird here in US. We have to deal with that. So that's why I'm going to use one of these. I use 110 and ground. So do 110 and retry ground. But before the power comes to here, from the power line, they're going to come 4 cables. So the 4 cables are going to come in. This will be load, median, and ground. Ground can come through here, then I can route it back out here so that I can start feeding everything. So the first road is going, I said load and median. So the median will help me power these boards, which is 110 volts, and after powering the 110 volts, that's about what is needed, because the laser source will not need a neutral, because it will be one of the rod will be used as a neutral. So I'm going to continue working on it, and I'll keep you updated with the progress.